Hi guys. Hello with our brand new fault solution video. The working principles of all smartwatches are the same. Regardless of the brand and model of your watch, I would be very happy if you write your questions and thoughts in the comments. Our watches may sometimes lock, may not turn on, may not charge. In this case, the solution may be very simple. The brand of our watch can be Applewatch, Haylou, honorband, Honor, Huawei, Amazfit or other brands and replica products. This is a valid repair for all. We are trying to charge our watch from the USB output of our computer as usual and the result is unsuccessful on the first try, as you can see. In this video, we will talk about a problem that many watch users face or may encounter. Our watches may sometimes lock, may not turn on, may not charge. In this case, the solution may be very simple. We are trying to charge our watch from the USB output of our computer as usual and the result is unsuccessful on the first try, as you can see. Unfortunately, this attempt failed, but we will not give up. Now let's try turning on and charging our watch with a 1000 meters amp adapter. There is already a small adapter in the USB part of the charging cable of our device. This part protects our clock from high amperage and voltage values, but it's time to do the experiment that we have had results before. Instead of charging from the computer USB output, we will use a high-amp phone adapter to shock our battery. It is not a very recommended thing, but I would like to try it instead of throwing my watch in the trash. Unfortunately, this attempt failed, but we will not give up. Now we are trying it with our 5V 2A and 5V 6A 30W output adapter belonging to our Oppo phone, and we thought it would be based on our previous attempts and we shot this video for you. Now we are trying it with our 5V 2A and 5V 6A 30W output adapter belonging to our Oppo phone, and we thought it would be based on our previous attempts and we shot this video for you. And the result is a very happy development. You should definitely try it. We got very good feedback in our previous videos. Write your result in the comments and we will reply. And the result is successful. This is very good news. Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. I would be very happy if you would send my video to your friend who you want to be informed about. Good day, see you.